Let us do question number 11. A TV tower stands vertically on the bank of a canal. One canal is there and TV tower is standing on its bank. I have drawn AB as canal here. This AB line is representing canal. And one TV tower is standing on its one of the bank. Suppose at B point a TV tower is standing. Here is the TV tower. Next, from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower. Then a point which is directly opposite to the point where the tower is standing, and the directly opposite point is A on the other side of the canal. A point is there, I have named that point as A. The angle of elevation of top of tower is 60. When looked from here, the angle of elevation of top of TV tower is 60 degrees. This is given to you. From another point 20 meters away from this point. Then a point is there which is 20 meters away from the original point. Earlier the point was A, from where the angle of elevation was drawn. The second point is 20 meters away from A point. Let us name that point C. When the angle of elevation is again drawn from the another point, it is 30 degree. When seen from point C, the angle of elevation was 30 degrees. So, on the one bank of the canal there is a TV tower. When seen from the opposite point, the angle of elevation formed is 60. And when we moved 20 meters away from the original point, then the angle of elevation was 30 degrees. You need to find what is the height of tower and width of canal. This is the canal. You need to know what is the width of this canal, how long is this canal, and what is the height of this TV tower. So again, two right angle triangles are drawn here. First is this and second one is the bigger one. We have named CAB here. Let us name the point D here. So two triangles are DAB and another triangle is DCB. Now I know what is the width of C to A. It is 20 meters. But I don't know the distance from A to B. Let us name the canal has the width Y. I am naming this canal width as Y. And I am naming this side. That means the height of the tower as X. Okay. Let us start the question in triangle. First triangle I am taking is DAB, the smaller triangle. And I will use tan of 60 degree here. Tan 60 is equal to perpendicular by base. Perpendicular here is X and base here is Y. X by Y. Now tan 60 is root 3 X over Y. Let us cross multiply. Root 3y is equal to x. You have got the value of x from here. Now let us take second triangle, that is in triangle DCB. Tan of 30 degrees. As the second triangle, the base angle is 30 degrees. So I am writing tan 30. Again it is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular here is x, this line, and base now is for bigger triangle from point C to point B. You can see it is from C to B. From C to B it is 20 plus y, because this length is given to you and this you have supposed. So the total gap is 20 plus y. Now what is tan of 30? It is 1 by root 3 x over 20 plus y. Let us cross multiply again. 20 plus y is x root 3. Now I can replace the value of x from first step, and that is x is root 3y. Let us replace here the value of x. Here it will become 20 plus y. X will be replaced as root 3y. You can see from here, x is root 3y. So I am replacing this x as root 3y, and this root 3 will remain as it is. Now two root 3's are there in product, so it will form single 3. That means 20 plus y is equal to 3y. 20 is equal to 3y minus y. 2y is equal to 20. 10 is equal to y. So what was y? Y was the width of the canal. So you have got that width of canal is equal to 10 meters. Okay. Now second thing they are asking you, what is the height of tower? And that is x. If I replace the value of this y equal to 10 here, I will get the value of x. So I am going to replace it. X is equal to root 3y. Root 3y is 10. X is 10 root 3 meters. So from here I have got the value of x, which is the length of this tower. You can write. So length of tower is root 10 root 3 meters. So what we have done, we have taken one canal here. On one side I have made a tower. On the other side, when angle of elevation is drawn, that is 60 degree, and when we move 20 meters away from point A, I can make again the angle of elevation, that is of 30 degrees. Now two right angle triangles are formed. One is DAB, another is DCB. So I am using tan of 30 and tan of 60. From first case I get that x is root 3y, and in the second case I am replacing the value of x, that is root 3y. These root 3 combine together to make single 3. Then this y comes this side and it becomes 2y. From here I get y is 10. And what was y? Y was the width of canal. So I have got that width of canal is 10 meters. To get the value of this, how much is the length of this TV tower, I am going to replace the value of y here in the first equation. I replace y as 10 and the value of x becomes root 3 10. And what is x? X is this height of TV tower.